Hello friends, now let us discuss the next part of chapter number 7. So next part which we have to understand is benchmarking. है ना? So what do you mean by benchmark? Now most of the time you might have heard about कि your faculty is telling कि last batch में student has secured 90 marks in ITSM, so your benchmark is 90 marks. So what do you mean by benchmark, sir? Benchmark is nothing but a standard. Benchmark is nothing but one point of reference, and against which you can compare, measure, analyze your performance. Okay. So let us take one small example so that you can understand this context properly, sir. Now, say for example, sir, there is a telecom industry. And in telecom industry, you have many players like Jio, Airtel, Idea, Docomo, BSNL, etc. Sir. Now, उसमें one area which I am taking is your customer service. So the area which I am focusing now is on customer service, sir. Okay. Now, sir, Jio customer service मतलब now whenever customer is calling the service provider for some any what do you say clarification etc. sir, within how many seconds or how many minutes may they are responding to your call. So Jio is responding to a customer within 2 minutes, Airtel in 2.5 minutes, sir, and Idea in 1.5, Docomo 1 second, BSNL 24 hours. Just imagine, sir, Docomo 1 second, sir. है ना, कस्टमर ही नहीं है भाई, है ना, so they are responding, sir. So if at all I have to put this in one diagram format, that is one histogram format, what is that you are able to see, sir? Can I say Docomo is giving the best service because he is responding to customer query in 1 second, Idea the next, Jio the next, Airtel the next, but BSNL is below the graph. Why? Because they are responding in 24 hours. Just kidding, ma. I have no personal grudge with BSNL people, but just a normal example I am talking about, sir. तो इसका मतलब क्या, सर? अगर somebody ask us who is delivering the best service in the telecom industry, तो my answer would be Docomo, because in this graph who is leading, sir? Docomo is leading, sir. So what do you mean by benchmark, sir? Benchmark is nothing but best industry practice. Point number 1. What is benchmark, ma? Best industry practice. So any company which has benchmark, they will say what? We are following the best practice in the total industry, sir. Clear? Next point, sir. Can I say for others, what could be a benchmark? Now say for example, sir, tomorrow a new telecom company enters the market and that telecom company is PJ Telecom. नाम तो सुना ही होगा सर, है ना. So now PJ Telecom is entering into the market and now they want to become the best. So who should be the one whom they should analyze? Do you think BSNL? Obviously no. Airtel? No. Jio? No. Idea? No. So who should be their target, sir? Docomo, sir. तो इसका मतलब क्या? As a newcomer, I have to analyze Docomo, sir, so that I can also become more better. So for new entrant, what is the definition of benchmarking, sir? For a new entrant, benchmark is nothing but what, sir? See, for Docomo, benchmark was nothing but best industry practice. For PJ Telecom, benchmark क्या है, sir? Benchmark is nothing but a point of reference. Benchmark is nothing but what, sir? A point of reference against which organization, which organization I'm talking about? PJ Telecom. Against which organization can compare, measure, analyze. Compare, measure, analyze. मतलब I will compare my practice with their practice, measure my practice with their practice, analyze my practice with their practice. क्यों कर रहा हूँ, सर? For better performance, for better performance, sir, है ना. So this is the reason or this is the meaning of benchmarking, sir. So now tell me, sir, benchmark का definition will be different for different people, sir. Again, benchmark का definition will be different for different people, है ना. So benchmark जिसके पास है, the person who is possessing it, है ना, for him benchmark will be something different, and for others, है ना, for competitors benchmark will be different. For whom it is possessing, they say benchmark is nothing but best industry practice. Benchmark is nothing but what, bacha? Best industry practice. And for others, benchmark is nothing but what, sir? A point of reference. For others, benchmark is nothing but what, sir? A point of reference against which an organization compare, measure, analyze. Compare, measure, analyze what? Their performance. Compare, measure, analyze with what, sir? Their performance with benchmarking performance. Why? For better control. फॉर बेटर कंट्रोल सर, है ना. सो बेंचमार्क क्या है सर? बेंचमार्क इज नथिंग बट एक बेस्ट इंडस्ट्री प्रैक्टिस. एग्जाम में यू कैन राइट ओनली दिस लाइन, दैट इज मोर देन इनफ. Benchmark point number one, it is a best industry practice. Benchmark is nothing but a point of reference, a standard against which organization compare its processes with others processes for better performance and control, sir. Clear? So this is the definition of benchmark. You can see here, benchmark refers to a standard. Benchmark refers to a point of reference against which things are compared, measured, analyzed for better performance and control, sir. It refers to best business practice or best industry practice. So can I say, if you see this diagram, and who is the benchmark? This person, sir, and this person has to ensure that he also become like this, sir. In short, and from whom we have to learn is what I mean by benchmark, sir. Sir, in one exam, and ICI has given one very funny question, sir. So question was, benchmark is nothing but marking on the furniture anta. So you are putting your organization ka round seal on the furniture of the organization. That is what benchmark is? Answer is no, sir. So that is a layman's view which you can say, sir. Next point, sir. Sir, where benchmark can be applied? Kidhar laga sakta, sir? Can I say without seeing? Let's understand, sir. Where benchmark can be applied, sir? Can I say benchmark can be applied in service? Yes, already we have seen. Can I say, now I took the example of service industry also. Sir, benchmark can it be applied for manufacturing? Yes, somebody is manufacturing the car in 10 days, others are manufacturing in 20 days. So 10 days while I is setting a benchmark for others, sir. Can benchmark be applied in sales? Yes, I am having the highest turnover. Can benchmark be applied in terms of what you say, labors? Yes, employees. Can benchmark be applied in terms of distribution? Yes. Can I say Blue Dart has set a benchmark for all courier companies, and they are doing things very faster compared to others, sir. So can I say these are the areas where you can apply what, bacha? Benchmarking, sir. Clear, bacha? Now next question is benchmarking process or elements of benchmarking, or you can say steps which are to be followed by organization for benchmarking. So what are the steps you should follow for benchmarking, sir? So what are the steps, sir? Pahla wala, sir. Sir, again same like your BPR. Why you want BPR? Similarly, why benchmarking is required? Now what example will take, sir? Can I say today BSNL is not in a good position, sir? In our example, if you can see, can I say BSNL was at the lowest and they were not getting good customer feedback, sir. Okay, chalo, no problem, sir. So if you remember the diagram, sir, can I say graph mein sabse lowest was what, sir? BSNL. So imagine now BSNL people comes to me and say, what, Praveen, you are teaching strategic management to everyone, please what is help us also so that we can develop. तो मैं बोला क्यों नहीं करता, sir? Definitely we will help you, sir. So now we have to suggest some steps for benchmarking. Step number one, what, sir? कि भाई आपको benchmarking क्यों चाहिए? Why you require? What is the need of having a benchmark, sir? Can I say again? It could be, sir, maybe your customers are not satisfied. Customers kya? Even employees of BSNL will tell what? Or employees of BSNL are using what? Others networks, sir. So can I say somewhere something is going wrong, sir? So in short, you should definitely tell the objectives behind implementing the benchmark. So you can tell this in a positive manner also, negative manner also. Positive manner is what, sir? What you want to achieve from benchmarking. Negative manner, what are the problems you are facing with current this thing, sir? So that is what need. Find out why it is required. Then second point is find out what are your existing business practices, sir. Sir, 24 hours mein you are lifting the call, and what is the best practice? 1 second, sir. So what is your existing practice, sir? 24 hours mein you lift the call. Identify the best practice. What is the best practice, sir? It is Docomo, which is doing things in 1 second. Agreed or not, sir? So first point is benchmarking, why it is required. Second, sir, what are your existing practice? Third, what is the best business practice? Fourth wala, compare your practice with the best business practice. Can I say 24 hours versus 1 second, sir? Now you have to prepare a report. Report for what, sir? Showing the deviation. Now, can I say what is the deviation, bacha? 23 hours and 23 hours 59 minutes 59 seconds इतना deviation है सर. So now you have to prepare necessary steps also to reduce this gap, and now you have to prepare those steps. That is nothing but plan of action to reduce this step, sir. And last May you will implement, sir. Now you have to check whether the implemented steps are working properly or not. If they are working properly, that means it is over. Now my question to you people is, first attempt में ही do you think 23 hours का gap will be reduced? Answer is no. Maybe है ना, you may reduce the gap of 5 hours 10 hours, sir. इसका मतलब again you have to follow the steps, sir. Again you have to follow the steps. So somebody ask us, is benchmarking a program? No. Program मतलब क्या sir? Which has one end. So benchmarking is not a program. Benchmarking is a continuous improvement process, है ना. So it never ends. You always have to try your best to become the better, sir, है ना. Because जैसे you become the best, somebody else will do more things better than you. So again you have to improve yourself. So benchmark is not a program. Benchmarking is a process. Now tell me, sir, अगर today Docomo has a benchmark, है ना, do you think it means all their business problems are solved? Sir, remember you got benchmark only in service sector, sir. Can I say Docomo has no service sector mein only they have got the benchmark, sir? Do you think Docomo has only one operation in their business, sir, or there are other operations also? That can be sales also, that can be reduction of cost also. So do you think benchmark will solve your complete business problem? Answer is no. That is what it is. Benchmark is not a panacea. What do you mean by panacea? Single solution. So सारे business problems will not be solved just because you have a benchmark. Sir, all my life problems will not be solved if I get all India first rank, sir, in CA final or CA IPCC, sir. तो इसका तात्पर्य क्या है, sir? Benchmark is not a solution for all the problems. I hope you understood what I'm trying to tell you, sir. So with this we end one short answer which was benchmark, sir. So how to remember this single point, sir? Now we have a simple technique in Hyderabadi style to remember this point, sir. First वाला कई को होना benchmarking, second वाला अपना practice क्या है, third वाला उसका practice क्या है, फोर्थ वाला अपना उसका क्या है, फिफ्थ वाला रिपोर्टा बनाओ. रिपोर्टा किसके बनाओ? गैप का रिपोर्ट बनाओ एंड उसको करेक्शन करने के लिए स्टेप्स बनाओ. स्टेप्स को इंप्लीमेंट कर दो एंड इंप्लीमेंटेड स्टेप्स बराबर चल रहे कि नहीं उसको देखते रहो. दैट इज व्हाट इवैल्यूएशन, सर, है ना. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, सर, अगेन व्हाई यू रिक्वायर बेंचमार्क, व्हाट इज योर प्रैक्टिस, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट बिजनेस प्रैक्टिस, सर. फोर्थ स्टेप इज कंपेयर, है ना. फिफ्थ वाला फाइंड आउट द gap, prepare the report and take corrective actions. And now, sir, whatever corrective actions you have taken, that is working properly or not, you have to evaluate, sir, है ना. Sir, one step it will be not happening, hence I say benchmarking is a process. Sir, just because you have a benchmark, that doesn't mean life ka all problems are solved. Only one specific problem is solved, sir. Clear hai bacha? With this we conclude benchmarking answer. So next answer in next video, sir. Thank you very much.